So this is the demo for our project Chatbot with Personality. So here is the landing page. So we have used an open source Python library called Gradio to create a web application for our chatbot. I am running this app currently in my local system, and it is connected to Flask server that we hosted in Google Colab. We have hosted all of our LLM models there. It's using REST API protocol for client-server communication. Now, let's go to the features first. So we have this features. This is the drop-down menu for selecting personality. For now, we have these personalities. Then we have this multiple buttons to select emotions. Like kids friendly, angry, argumentative, and normal. Then we have the model selection drop down, and here are some features for LLM tuning. Then we have this custom context feature where we can copy paste any external custom. We also have this file uploading option here. Then this is the chat box, and we also have this voice input feature. Now let's test it. So I'm choosing the personality Elon Musk for now, and the nature is kids friendly for now. So I will ask him like, I don't like your idea about going to planet Mars. Let's see how it responds. So as you can see, currently it's giving kind of kiddish answers. Now I will change the tone to argumentative, and I'll ask the same question but using the voice input feature. Hey Alan, I don't like your idea about going to planet Mars. So you can see that once we input our audio, it will convert it to text, and then we just need to post it to the chat box. It will proceed and respond to us, but in argumentative way. Yep. So yeah, we can see that it replied like first Mars is not just a fantasy and blah blah blah. So we can see that it's kind of adapting the argumentative nature. Now let's change the personality to Donald Trump. So let's ask him like, who are you, in a normal tone. It's taking processing time. Let's change the personality to Donald Trump, and we'll keep normal tone. Let's ask like general question, who are you? Yep, it replied like, my name is Donald Trump, I am the 45th president of United States, blah blah blah. So we can see that it's replying in normal tone. Now let's change the personality, or let's add some context to Donald Trump. Let's go to Wikipedia and get some knowledge about Donald Trump. I'll keep the first two paragraphs only. And now let's ask him like, what's your birth date? Yes, as we can see that from the context, it replied like, my birthday is 14th June 1946 and I was born in New York City. So yeah, the chatbot is working pretty fine. So this is all about the user interface demo of our project Chatbot with Personality, and this is team 8.